You've got young and healthy Americans that are offering their hand in support for their elderly neighbors amid the COVID-19 pandemic. And this is happening across the U.S. of A. This is who we are, Jackie DeAngelis. You've got all the details for us. Hello.
Good afternoon to you, Cheryl. That's right. There are some silver linings here in terms of humanity. We see people helping people in the midst of this crisis with so much uncertainty out there. The CDC has said if you're over 65, if you live in a retirement community, you're more at risk. And these are the populations that should be isolated right now. Meals on Wheels is still continuing to try to serve them as best as possible, even though the logistics have become more complicated. Right now, the CEO of Meals on Wheels in Staten Island told us they do 2 meals a day to 1,200 people. The average age that they're looking at is around 84, but those referral requests and increased demand is certainly coming in because of everything we're experiencing. So more demand, higher costs, and remember, they can't exactly work from home. People have to come in, they have to prepare the food, they have to be sent out for delivery. So there's a lot happening. And there's a mix in terms of the people who are helping. Young people, as you mentioned, but also some seniors who are still themselves very active, trying to get out there and give a little bit back. Food supply is a concern. It's something they're watching closely, and also the health of their volunteers important too. But they're delivering meals door to door and establishing these new procedures. Listen to what the CEO told me.
They're going to the door of the recipients, putting the door on the door handle, knocking on the door, ringing a bell, then stepping back 6 to 10 feet so that the recipient receives the meal, and then asking the question that we haven't had to ask before in the past, asking the question, are you showing any symptoms?
Cheryl, unprecedented times, all kinds of new questions, Meals on Wheels doing what they can.
And so many groups across the country that are trying to pair these volunteers that are so anxious to help with these elderly folks that do need the help. And it's just, you know, it's what makes this country so strong. Jackie, thank you very much.